I'm ready. I loaded a 308 last minute.
You got my good side?
You don't have a bad one, dude. All right, one single clap, Shannon.
1-1, sorry.
I was like, you know what? I'm gonna load it up and go hammer with it.
George Gardner from GA Precision. We're here at the 2022 Gap Grind.
What are the first 4 words that come to your mind when you think of the Gap Grind?
Rounds. Exciting.
Mentorship.
Just underneath the toe on your leg, you'll kill it. Awesome.
And fun.
There you go.
The Gap Grind is the most impactful and powerful match in the PRS, in the precision rifle long range community. And this is by far not just the largest precision rifle event in the country, but in the world.
We're gonna start at this orange cone. Your last diving target is against that bird.
This match is unique because it's the only match where it's a true pro and an AM or new shooter paired together.
There you go, good pull.
The goal of the match is to give that new shooter an experience.
Now level it out.
A lot of shooters, if you ask them why they've never shot a match, they always kind of give you that, well, you know, never shot a match and it's a little intimidating. This match makes it less intimidating. You're being paired with someone that's going to help you through the whole course of fire and throughout the whole match.
This is a big event for us. We're out here to help the AMs. This event was set up in order to give that first-time competitor that opportunity to come shoot it in a controlled environment and also get to shoot it with the benefit of a pro. So for us to be able to support this match, support the ROs, support Shannon and Julie for all they do, it means a lot.
When we come off the line, thank the ROs, guys. They donated their time, their talents. On behalf of Bushnell,
we enjoy this sport and all we want to do is continue to grow it. So any way that we can, we're more than happy to get involved.
Really great match. Amateurs are having a lot of fun. I mean, that's what it's all about.
Make sure to pay close attention before tracing.
Burn it down.
Because it's not just marksmanship, it's knowledge. It's the application of that knowledge. And when you see these 10-year-old girls, or you see these brand new shooters that picked it up at 55 years old, and they have a clean run and they do good, and the whole squad's screaming down the line of 400 people, that's special, that's powerful, and that's different in another match.
We came out to Gap Grind. This is her first match. She got to the age where I felt like she was good to go. She has been doing awesome.
That's what the grind's about. That's the spirit of the Gap Grind.
Plates range in size from 16 inches down to 8 inches. This is a timed event, not a big deal.
I don't know if there is or isn't. I don't know if there is or isn't.
Justin Smith, I'm the category manager for RCBS. This is the first ever PRS match I've ever shot. Sure, a lot of fun, very well put together. Everyone was super nice, super friendly. I got to see why, you know, RCBS is a mainstay in the reloading market. And got to see some of the products put to work. Got to talk firsthand with the end consumer and everyone here, so it was really a good event.
We need to thank GA Precision for putting this match on.
we're going to give a scope out to Mr. Jacob Daniels. We want to give them a free pair of bonnets. So.
The match is
set of custom knives from Tour Cutlery, engraved with the federal logo and Gap Grind 2022 in the back. To go to our Tom Melody and his.
The most satisfying thing for me in this match is seeing it grow. Seeing the fact that there's amateur shooters that are now pro shooters, bringing in new amateur shooters. Every year I always ask for a show of hands of 50 to 70 guys were brand new shooters here 2 or 3 years ago, and now they're mentoring an amateur themselves as a pro. Walking around and seeing the smiles on these AM's face after they hit a target, that's what it's all about.
Right on, man. Heck of a job. Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
Caffeine, man. Go by caffeine. This is what a Mini Cooper looks like in production. A mere 7 minutes later, we have to go with thumbs in our hands. Oh, God, that feels good.
Start taking your shirt off. All right. We can do that.
We'll work up to it. I won't throw you in the deep end right away.
In 4 words, describe what it's like to shoot PRS.
It's fast-paced. Controlled chaos. 3, 2, 1, go. And it's fun.